What's going on, guys, and welcome to Vikings Garage. Today we're going to be giving the S2000 a little love. We ordered some parts from Honda and we're going to get to it. I'll show you guys how to do it. All right, so on today's video, as you can see, brand new from Honda, we're going to be replacing this guy. I'll show you at the end why this is getting replaced. And last but not least, we're going to replace the hood holder, because as you can see, part of it is missing. I'll try to do my best to show the process. So for the hood prop, guys, you're gonna need a pair of needle nose so that you can catch on the bottom of it. Once you squeeze the two tabs, should pop right up. So right now it's just fairly simple. Just take it out, put it back the same exact way. So one down, next one to go. So we'll start off by opening this. Put that to the side. Let's see, so you always want to match up the parts, make sure you got the correct parts. This looks like it's going to be a beauty once we're finished. So we'll start off with this guy. Grab a pair of needle nose pliers. A pedal. Squeeze, put the clamp to the side, and then work the hose out. Put the hose to the side. Actually, first, we should have done this first. Try not to drop the tools on your engine bay. We're going to take the air box out. And make sure you don't lose these clips, which on my car, being that it has over 90,000 miles, some of them are worn, and as you can see, they do come right off. So top of the air box comes out, put it to the side like so. That way you have exposed the air filter. It'll make it easy for you. So now I'm gonna take the first little hose that connects to this guy out. Let's do that. Once that guy's out, you're going to want to disconnect the main clamp that connects the actual rubber hose to the throttle body. It's an 8mm. That one is correct. The clamp to the smaller hose on my car, it's not correct yet, but it will be eventually. So it's pretty simple. Pop the harness up, out of the way, disconnect, just like so. And it should come out with your filter like this, which in this case, as you guys can see, I have a drop-in K&N, a little banged up, but does the job. It should pop out just like so. And lay it there. Once again, just like before, line up the parts, make sure you got the correct part. And this is actually perfect opportunity to show you guys why this is getting replaced. So I don't know if you can see that, but this is starting to split. And what this does, this creates a hair leak, which you don't want. And this one, I actually even added, I put tape there because you got the same deal going on with this guy. And you do not want that, because if you get any type of leaks on this, you might actually get yourself a lean condition. And that's that. Process of installation is the reverse of removal, and I will show you guys the result. All right, so as you guys can see, my box is a little dirty, so what I did is I grabbed the vacuum, and I'm gonna take care of that. Always, guys, don't try to cut corners. Trust me, just do it right. And you'll even feel better. The car will appreciate it. You got to take good care of your cars. And there you have it, guys. Just like that. It looks just like new. Easy and simple. Spend the money, take the time, the car will return it back. Don't forget, always enjoy your cars.